Introduction. Hey everyone and welcome. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation and pushing the boundaries of technology, has often spoken about his vision for the future of AI. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing concept of an Elon Musk-inspired AI assistant. What would it be like? What would it do? And how might it differ from the AI assistants we're already familiar with? Let's dive into the possibilities. Musk's vision for AI, beyond simple tasks. To understand what an Elon Musk AI assistant might entail, we need to look at his views on AI. He's a strong advocate for responsible AI development, emphasizing safety and long-term benefits for humanity. He's also expressed interest in AI that can tackle complex problems and augment human capabilities in profound ways. This suggests an AI assistant far beyond just setting reminders or playing music. Key features: what would it do? Based on Musk's public statements and his company's technological pursuits, here are some potential features of an Elon Musk AI assistant. Advanced problem solving. Imagine an AI that could help you tackle complex tasks, from analyzing scientific data to designing engineering solutions. It wouldn't just give you answers, it would help you think critically and creatively. Integration with Neuralink. If Neuralink's brain-computer interface technology becomes widely available, the AI assistant could potentially integrate with it, providing seamless access to information and cognitive support. Space exploration and scientific research. Given Musk's passion for space, the AI assistant could be designed to assist with space exploration, data analysis from astronomical observations, and other scientific research. Personalized learning and development. The AI could act as a personalized tutor, helping you learn new skills and expand your knowledge base, tailored to your individual learning style and goals. Safety-first design. Musk's emphasis on AI safety suggests that the assistant would be designed with robust safety measures to prevent misuse and ensure alignment with human values. Energy and sustainability. Given Tesla's focus on sustainable energy, the assistant might have advanced energy management capabilities, helping users optimize their energy consumption and reduce their environmental footprint. Coding and engineering assistance. Given SpaceX and Tesla, it is possible the AI would be advanced in the field of coding and engineering, assisting with complex coding tasks and engineering simulations. How would it differ? A focus on augmentation. The key difference might lie in the AI's focus on human augmentation rather than simple task automation. It wouldn't just perform tasks for you, it would help you become more capable and efficient. It would be a tool for expanding your cognitive abilities and pushing the boundaries of human potential. The potential impact: a new era of human-AI collaboration. An Elon Musk AI assistant could usher in a new era of human-AI collaboration. Imagine a world where we work seamlessly with AI to solve complex problems, explore new frontiers, and achieve breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. Ethical considerations, responsible development. Of course, with such powerful technology comes significant ethical considerations. Musk has been vocal about the need for responsible AI development, and any AI assistant bearing his name would likely be designed with a strong emphasis on safety, transparency, and accountability. Conclusion: a vision of the future. While an Elon Musk AI assistant is currently a concept, it's a fascinating glimpse into the potential future of AI. By combining advanced capabilities with a focus on human augmentation and responsible development, it could represent a significant step forward in our relationship with artificial intelligence. Outro. What are your thoughts on this concept? What features would you like to see in an Elon Musk AI assistant? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations of cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching.